Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open the Steam client and click Friends and Chat in the lower right. Once done, make sure Steam Guard is enabled so friend requests are secure. If you're in-game, press Shift plus Tab to access the overlay and the same friend tools. Gather the info you'll need: exact username, profile URL, or friend code, because typing partial names causes missed matches. Do this now so the next steps find the right people quickly and reliably. You'll use the Search People box or the Add a Friend page to locate someone, enter their exact username, or paste their profile URL and press Enter. For friend codes, go to Add a Friend and paste the 8-digit code to send a request instantly. Make sure to check mutual games or common groups to verify it's the right person, because Steam has many similar names. Once you see the profile, click Add Friend and include a short message to increase acceptance chances. Once the request is sent, monitor pending or incoming in Friends and Chat and accept only verified profiles. After acceptance, send a brief DM or an invite to a low-pressure game to confirm identity and start interacting. If your request isn't delivered, check Steam Guard, the recipient's privacy settings, and that you use the exact username or friend code. Make corrections and retry. If problems persist, restart Steam and test, sending to a known friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.